Hello friends, in this video, I intend to teach you how to register with the broker CWG Markets. You enter the Forex Brokers section, select CWG Markets, click Key and click on Go to Website. You enter the website and click on Create Now. We enter the registration section. You register your country of residence along with your mobile phone number, email address, and click on Generate. You enter your email and click on CWG to verify your email and copy the specified code. After entering the code, you choose a password for your account. Yes, and I recommend using between 8 to 15 characters, including numbers, uppercase and lowercase letters, and symbols. Finally, you agree to the website's terms by ticking the box and clicking on Continue. You enter your account dashboard. Your account has been created. Good luck.